In today's video, we will do very small project on web scraping. It is the live project. So for example, we have Alibaba.com, this website, and we try to look mobile. So here you can see we are getting different types of information about the product and the seller information, and then we have rating, and here you can see this rating received on time, so it's a little bit hidden, so I can't read the complete rating here, and some of the attributes are hidden. And in the same way, if I try to search, for example, paper, so here you can see we are getting different types of results here, and we need to grab all this data, and then we need to make a report. So let's do it with the help of Power Query. How easy it is. So if you click Alibaba.com, the home tab, and here it is mobile, and you can see the URL here. This is Alibaba.com/trade search, and then we have at the end we have and search text is equal to mobile. And if I write here, for example, paper, so here you can see we are getting all the results according to our search query. So we will take this URL and go to the Power Query editor, and here we have to click get data web, and then we need to paste the URL here. Click OK. So here you can see we are getting different tables. Like if you click the table 1, so this is the data here. We are getting in the column 1, this is the product name, then the other is the price range, then we have the order quantity in the column 4, and this is the like order type, and we have here the 5th column, this is the name of the seller and lot of other information. Normally we have to go to each and every seller one by one, and then we try to see different stuff there. And if you click in the table 2, these are the, I think maybe is about shipping, so table 3, table 4, so you can see we are getting different types of information that is available on the website. And here we are interested in the column 1, you need to click control, column 2, maybe 3, 4, the seller information, and then we are also interested in the feedback, the rating. So right click and remove other columns. So these are the stuff in which we are interested. So now you can make the name of the column, you can rename it like products. The second is price, and maybe you can delete this one as well. So this is the order quantity, this one is the seller, and this column is the rating, this one. So we need to order, because everything, the type of every column is a text, right? This is also a text. So what we can do is we can fetch the minimum amount, and then we can do ascending or descending order. Here you can see 0.21-0.36, so this is the minimum amount and this is the maximum amount. So how we can get this amount here? So first of all, we need to extract information, so we need to extract all the digits before dash. So first we need to find the position of this number minus this 0.21 dash. So for this we need to click add column, add custom column, and here we have to write the name of the column is price, and we have to use one function here, and text dot position text dot position of, and okay, let me remove this one so that the IntelliSense can work. So the first parameter is the text as a text. This is the price, and then the substring will be dash. So this one, click OK, and here you can see we are getting, this is the index of this dash, right? And here we are getting -1 because there is no dash available here. So we need all these digits before dash. So for this we again need to click setting, and here we have to use one function here, that is again text function, text dot start, and it takes the first parameter is the name of the column, that is price, and then the second is, so that's it, click OK. So here you can see we are getting like 0.21 dash 0.64, and we are getting again 0.64, the minimum value, and here we are getting error because we don't have any value available at -1 position. So we need to fix this error. Just need to click here, and then we have to use one function, error handling. This is like try this, otherwise the original column price. That's it, click OK, and here you can see we are getting no error here. So now we change the data type. For example, we can change to fixed decimal number, and then we also need to sort this column as a ascending order. So that's it. Now we can load it, close and apply. And we have to add one table here. So the first column will be products, then we need price, and here we have custom. This is we have to change here the name, like minimum, min price, and we can also put here one like the rating, and here we have to increase the text size. So here you can see we have added products, price, and min price, and rating. So we can do here like in ascending order. So here you can see this product is the minimum order price is 0.01, 0.03, 0.05, and so on. So we have to do one more thing. We need to go to the Power Query editor, and we have to add here some parameters. Manage parameters, new parameter, and the parameter name is products, and the type is text. It's just a value, the list of values, and here you can see, here you can write mobile, paper, laptop, watch. Okay, so here you can choose mobile, and the current value is also mobile. Click OK. So this is the static parameter, and we can rename this like f. So we need to copy, go here in the table 1, and here we have to again we need to go to the view and the advanced query editor. Here you can see this is the URL that we have pasted here that belong to paper. So what we need to do here, we need to put quotation here and sign, and here we have to write, and now it's done. So now this URL is dynamic, right? Click OK. Okay, so here you can see we are getting mobile, and this is the mobile data, and if I load, close and apply, you don't need to search and type, you just need to select here, and it's very easy. Power Query will automatically fetch all the stuff, the price range, the minimum price, the order, and you can fetch, as you have seen, we have lot of information available, and you can grab that information, put some more parameters, generate dynamic parameter based on the table, and then use those parameter again here. We need to again click here, transform data, edit parameter, and here you can choose, for example, laptop. Click OK and apply changes. So here you can see these are the laptops, and the minimum order and all these things. So it's very easy. You don't need to go to the website. You just need to select your queries here, watch, click OK, apply changes. So here you can see we are getting different watches, their price, rating, and everything. So this is very easy and very powerful to grab different results, and you can experiment with different types of websites to grab different types of results, and it will save your time, and you can make the complete data set for your further analysis.